The introduction to Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. It is the 11th largest state in India and 12th most populated state. Earlier, Telangana was a part of the state Andhra Pradesh, but on 2nd June 2014, it was separated from Andhra Pradesh to become an independent newly formed state with Hyderabad city as its capital. Other major cities include Warangal, Nizamabad, Khammam, Karimnagar, etc. कल्चर ऑफ तेलंगाना। तेलंगाना की संस्कृति। तेलंगाना के भारतीय राज्य में लगभग 5000 वर्षों का सांस्कृतिक इतिहास है। हिंदू काकतीय वंश और मुस्लिम कुतुबशाही और असफ जाही राजवंश के शासन के दौरान यह क्षेत्र भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप में संस्कृति का सबसे प्रमुख केंद्र के रूप में उभरा। शासकों के संरक्षण और कला और संस्कृति के लिए रुचि ने तेलंगाना को एक अद्वितीय बहुसांस्कृतिक क्षेत्र में बदल दिया, जहां दो अलग अलग संस्कृतियां एक साथ मिलती हैं। इस प्रकार तेलंगाना को दक्कन पठार के प्रतिनिधि और वारंगल और हैदराबाद के साथ इसकी विरासत बनाते हैं। मनाए गए क्षेत्रों की प्रमुख सांस्कृतिक घटनाएं काकतीय महोत्सव और दक्कन महोत्सव हैं। धार्मिक त्योहारों के साथ बोनालू, बाथुकम्मा और आदि के बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे।
Temples. Telangana, by its geographic location, the realm where two diverse cultures from the north and south of the country merge. Historically, Telangana region possesses a rich cultural heritage in the form of its extant temples. A study of temples in the region shows that there was a gradual evolution of temple culture, from the simple temple structures of the Ikshwaku period to the most magnificent and intricately sculpted temples of the Kakatiyan period. The temples in the Telangana show gradual development. The richness of the temples also symbolizes the power and opulence of the kingdoms. As cultural centers, the roles of temples is immeasurable. They are not only spaces for mental peace but also connect people spiritually.
The cuisines of Telangana or the food culture of Telangana is very unique. The Telangana, as it lies on the Deccan Plateau, has a topography which dictates more on millets and roti based dishes. Jowar and bajra features more prominently in the cuisines. Due to this, the rotis made from millets, jowars are etc. very special and made the Telangana a special place for these delicacies such as jona roti, sorghum, Sajja roti, Peni setum, Sarvapindi or Uppudi Pendi, which is a type of broken rice, and also some curries and gravies which are called as Kura or Pulusu, which are based on tamarind. The Telangana delicacies are not only famous for vegetarian food but also have a good role in non-vegetarian food like Goli China Mamsam, Boti Kadi, goat liver fry, etc.
पेरिनी थांडवम तेलंगाना के एक प्राचीन नृत्य है जिसे हाल के दिनों में पुनर्जीवित किया गया है। काकतीय वंश के दौरान तेलंगाना में इसका जन्म हुआ और समृद्ध हुआ। पेरिनी थांडवम आमतौर पर पुरुषों द्वारा किया जाने वाला एक नृत्य है। इसे योद्धाओं का नृत्य भी कहा जाता है।
About 76% of the population of Telangana speak Telugu, 12% speak Urdu, and 12% speak other languages. Before 1948, Urdu was the official language of Hyderabad state. After 1948, once Hyderabad state joined New Republic of India, Telugu became the language of government, and as Telugu was introduced as medium of instructions in schools and colleges.